Cats may seem independent and aloof, but they are incredibly sensitive creatures with deep emotional needs. Even small actions or oversights on our part can leave them feeling stressed, lonely, or unloved. Understanding what truly affects their happiness is the first step toward keeping their hearts and minds healthy. One of the most common ways you upset your cats is by ignoring their need for attention and affection. Cats may not always demand cuddles loudly, but they thrive on gentle interaction, playtime, and companionship. Skipping their favorite play sessions, or failing to notice when they approach you for attention, can make them feel neglected and unloved. Even leaving the house for long periods, without some mental stimulation, like puzzle feeders or toys, can leave them feeling lonely. Another heartbreaker for cats is sudden changes in their environment. Cats are creatures of habit and are highly sensitive to changes in routine. Moving furniture, bringing in new pets, or even rearranging their favorite sleeping spots can create anxiety and stress. They rely on familiar sights, smells, and routines to feel safe. A small disruption can make them feel insecure and lead to withdrawal or nervous behavior. Cats are also deeply affected by your moods and tone of voice. Yelling, harsh scolding, or displaying anger in front of them can confuse and frighten them. Even though they may seem aloof, they pick up on your emotions more than you realize. A tense atmosphere at home can make them anxious and less likely to approach you for comfort. Dirty litter boxes are more than just unpleasant for humans, they can be heartbreaking for cats too. Cats are naturally clean animals, and a litter box that isn't scooped regularly can make them feel stressed, anxious, and even rejected. When their bathroom space is uninviting, they may avoid using it, leading to accidents elsewhere in the house and frustration for both you and your feline friend. Keeping their litter box clean and fresh shows your cat that you respect their needs. It helps them feel safe, comfortable, and loved in their own home. Neglecting grooming can also upset cats, especially long-haired breeds. Mats, tangles, or dirty fur can make them uncomfortable and irritated. Regular brushing not only keeps them clean, but strengthens the bond between you and your cat. Serving stale or unappetizing food can be surprisingly upsetting for cats. They are highly sensitive to taste and smell, and a bowl of food that has lost its freshness can make them feel neglected or unloved. Over time, repeatedly offering old kibble or spoiled wet food can lead to frustration, refusal to eat, and even a loss of trust in their caregiver. Providing fresh, high-quality meals shows your cat that you care about their well-being. It helps them feel happy, secure, and cherished. A less obvious, but equally heartbreaking factor is lack of proper enrichment and stimulation. Cats are natural hunters, and they need outlets for their curiosity and energy. A bored cat may pace, meow excessively, or even start destructive behaviors. Simple toys, scratching posts, or safe window views can make a huge difference in their emotional well-being. There is nothing more entertaining than watching your cat go crazy over a laser pointer. They stalk the tiny red dot, pounce on it, and leap with excitement, completely absorbed in the game. Even though the dot sometimes disappears, they continue the chase, clearly having a lot of fun. However, while cats enjoy the thrill of the hunt, they can become frustrated if they are never able to catch the dot. Leaving a cat outside and closing the door can be deeply upsetting for them. Cats are territorial and rely on a safe, familiar environment to feel secure. Being suddenly shut out can cause anxiety, fear, and stress, as they may feel abandoned or trapped outside. They might wait by the door, meowing softly, hoping to be let back in. Over time, this can make them fearful or hesitant to trust their surroundings. Ensuring they have consistent access to their safe indoor space helps them feel protected, loved, and confident in their home. Finally, ignoring their health needs can deeply affect your cat. Skipping regular vet visits, neglecting dental care, or failing to notice signs of pain or illness can lead to discomfort and stress. Cats are masters at hiding pain, so attentive observation and timely care are essential to keeping them happy and healthy. By being mindful of their need for attention, consistency, enrichment, gentle handling, and care, you will prevent breaking their little hearts. Simple acts of love, understanding, and patience go a long way toward keeping your cat happy, confident, and secure in your home.